Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and this video we're going to talk about 3 important factors to increase your affiliate product sales so you can make instant commissions. So it's very important that you do these 3 things, and as you can see, I put a little hint here. Um, so what you need to do is just look back to the last product that you purchased, and just kind of go through the process. Uh, which is factor number 1. So you're gonna go through the process. What caught your eye about the product? Uh, why did you feel you needed it? And then where did you go to research the product, to learn more about it, to see what it does, to see um, what the problem is that you obviously had a problem that you wanted to solve, be it more looking for more ways to get more traffic, how to get better traffic, how to even decrease cost per click for your ad budget, anything like that. Or maybe it's a new method that you want to try out. So what led you to the product? And then what was the process that you took before you bought the product? So um, that leads to factor 2, which is what were the questions that you asked about it? Does this is this what you're looking for? Does it solve your problem? Um, you know, um, will it help you get more traffic? Will it work for your niche? Will it work for what type of marketing you do? And if all those questions are asked, then you're gonna move on to factor 3, which is what was the final factor that made you buy. So what was the final thing that made you click that buy button and purchase affiliate product that you were looking at? So was it the bonuses, the affiliate marketer's bonus? Was it a marketer that like, and trusted? Was it complete, was it just someone you never knew, but they had a really great product? Was it the price? The overall value? So, I mean, these are questions that you need to know and start asking yourself when you're going through affiliate product launch or anything like that, and you're setting up your bonus pages, and you're setting up your campaign, and you're writing your emails around this. So, the more that you nail these questions, the more your sales are going to increase. So it's that simple, and it takes a lot of work. But you can apply this to your email campaigns, your videos, your Facebook posts, um, even if you're running paid traffic and all that. You apply those 3 factors and just do them every campaign, and you're going to see increase in sales. You're going to get those instant commissions, and it's just going to get a lot. It's going to become second nature for you. So include those answers in your campaigns. And it's very simple. It's a very short video. There's really nothing else to elaborate on. If you are new to affiliate marketing and you want to learn a little bit more about how to pick out a course or a product or software to promote, or if you want to learn some effective ways to promote it, either free or paid, go to the link I posted below in the description, and I have a little blog post that you can read, and it will show you some of my favorite methods. So that being said, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Comment below if you have any suggestions, and click the link, and I'll talk to you real soon.